All right, it's qualifying day. I'm here at Target though. I'm looking for some energy because I'm running on 4 hours of sleep about. Some light was shining in our hotel room. So my body naturally thinks, oh, it's time to wake up. So woke up at 3 a.m., couldn't go back to sleep. Yeah, it was a little rough. Energy drink it is.
Good luck to the cannon.
Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.
Just be patient.
Be patient. We're gonna do good today.
Yes.
I'm feeling it.
Nice.
All right, we got our game 1 scoring update. I shot 236. My ball started to hook a little early after the first 2 shots, a lot quicker than I anticipated. Left a couple of 4 pins and a 9 pin after starting with the front 2. Ended up throwing a bad one first ball in the 10th. Ultimately shooting 230, could have shot 250. This game, the fronts are hooking way earlier. I think there was a little more urethane, a little more rep rate overall. So, trying to get lined up. Opened in the first frame, struck in the second on a ball change, so hopefully it's the right move. I think it's about that time. We might have to make a ball change soon. It's kind of on the cusp. Like, it's not readily apparent. Urethane's still kind of close. But urethane is being thrown by some people, or reactive. Shot 225 that game. I think I missed a move at the end. Ball checked in the 9th, and then I threw one decent in the 10th, and it's still hooked, so 80-something over after 3. Hoping for a big finish here. Big last 3. Not very happy with what's happening right now.
The quarterly update. Fitz, how are you balling?
Not near as good as Darren.
I'm not balling that good, brother.
What are you plus 70, plus 80?
Like 80.
Yeah, okay. Where are we at? I'm at 20, you're at like 40.
It's all relative, man. Yeah, all right, how we doing?
So we had a slippery slope, but we recovered. Shot 240 last game. It's pretty good. On a really tough pair, too. On that pair, yeah.
That's really good. Yeah.
Super tough pair. Zen Master was the ball.
So you're like 40 over.
Yeah, just about.
Sitting pretty. Scores don't look super high. I mean, I'm not looking at score sheets or anything, but just looking around.
Yeah. So
right.
just keep doing what we're doing, and it's gonna look good.
All right, man. Just get a good one.
Alright, game 4 update. We had 257 that game. I threw urethane for the first 9 frames. I could have punched out for 250. I missed twice in a row on the right lane. It was getting kind of snug down lane, so I made a ball change in the 10th, went to the reality. Got pretty lucky, late 10 out, and then light swisher. And I tried the aspect and it wasn't even close, like location-wise. But it's probably kind of close. I'm about 140 over now. I'm gonna try urethane first just to see what it looks like because it looked really good on the left lane. So if it still looks okay here, I'll keep throwing it. If not, I'm not gonna be afraid to go reactive. wasn't the best finish we've ever had, but we got to 160 and change over. Still don't know what that looks like. We got a break now. We're gonna grab some lunch, gonna unwind. Hopefully wake up a little more. I feel like I didn't wake up till like game 4, so we will be back. We'll bowl better on the long pattern and hopefully score even better. See you then. All right, we got 6 more games. Long pattern. Looks like I'll throw a urethane. Let's go. Or VCT. Don't think no one knows that, but yeah, let's go. Well, they're kind of tricky. Stole 210 there. I don't really know how. My ball reaction sucks, but I don't really see anybody who had a good ball reaction. Hooking it looks terrible. I tried to throw urethane up the tube, but it's still kind of early and they're still really flat. Like I don't have a whole lot of hold. Honestly, I might just commit to that for now. So we're just gonna grind. I don't think score's gonna be very high this block. We found something, a little 230 action on the end pair. And I had a little discussion with the ball reps. I was like, you know, I need some help for tomorrow. I don't really know what's happening. I'm trying to understand why I'm bowling bad. Now I understand. So if I don't bowl good tomorrow, it's all on me. I'm not even gonna blame myself. Well, I'm partially gonna blame myself. Lack of preparation, didn't get the information I needed to make the correct equipment choices. So hopefully we can make some surface adjustments and get a little closer tomorrow. Because we can't get much further off than what we had at the beginning. But yeah, -7 or so, about 10 for the block. A couple more big ones, and should be okay. I mean, we're gonna be okay regardless, but I'd like to get as close to Butters as possible because of course he's leading. Let's go.
That's how you do it, AJ.
So, just got finished bowling. Did pretty well. We came in 4th. Had some up and downs. I think low game of the set was 183, but had a couple of 250s in there, and things were just going well. I felt good. I felt relaxed. I didn't feel as if I was panicking. I had a couple of panic moments, but mostly I was able to control my emotions and stay in it, and ball reaction was plentiful. UFO alert was awesome. That ball is sick. I hadn't thrown it actually once before I showed up, just drilled it, decided to throw it, threw some surface on it, it worked great. So yeah man, UFO alert.
Well, I ended up not getting any shots for you guys. Shot 150 the last game, on the dot. I think all of this is just poor preparation, lack of, I don't know, what's the word for it? I just didn't come prepared. I didn't get the information I needed in order to bring the correct bowling balls. And unfortunately, I got only 4 hours of sleep, and I think that played a big role. Got to 120 over, backed up into that. I went -40 something that block. I went -100 for the 3 games I shot under 200. So that was not my best work. On a positive note, we bowl tomorrow. 4 more games in the morning, and they'll cut to the top 12, I think, for match play. So I got a game plan for the long, the short. I got a pretty good look. So execution wasn't really a problem. Shout out to Anthony, he bowled really well. He, I don't know what he shot, 0 overall, but he shot 220 the last game. He was about even, but he's up there. He's pretty close to that top 4 number. We'll be back tomorrow. I think I'm gonna take the rest of the day off and try to unwind and figure out some things. Catch you guys tomorrow.